So Mr. Soap Chef has stinky tootsies, I'm not gonna lie, but he wears like work boots and stuff a lot too because he's working around the house. He's a database administrator, an IT specialist during the daytime, but he wears his work boots and stuff and work shoes all around the house all the time. He never stops working. Anyhow, so he uses this. It's called Ammens Original Medicated Powder. He's been using this for years and years and years. It's quite expensive. It's around $11 for this container, and this is 11 ounces, so about $1 per ounce. So I looked at the ingredient list, and I'm seeing that the active ingredient in this is zinc oxide at 5%. So I've got zinc oxide. There you go. The next down the list here, you're going into the inactive ingredients, and we've got some cornstarch, which is in this bowl here, followed by some tricalcium phosphate, which I have here, and then your fragrance. That's it. That's it. That's what's in this. I'm gonna make him some. Here's my cornstarch. Let's go ahead and add the zinc oxide, which they're saying is the active ingredient. Let's give that a little bit of a mix first before we add in that tricalcium phosphate. This stuff really, really works well for him. He uses it daily. He uses it every day in his work shoes for his day job, just to keep things smelling fresh so that things don't get out of control. I'm gonna use this and just kind of get some of this up off the bottom so we can incorporate everything. But yeah, he will usually buy like a 3-pack or a 4-pack if he can find it. And it lasts a good long while. All right, so we've got our cornstarch, we've got our zinc oxide. Let's put in our tricalcium phosphate. I'm just all about trying to save money however and wherever I can. This is just the simplest of simple things to make. It's nothing. You just pretty much need a non-talc based odor eliminator. So I'm going to give this to him because that is what is on the ingredient label. However, I have all kinds of other things that I want to put in here, such as some diatomaceous earth and some magnesium hydroxide, because both of those are fantastic odor eliminators. But I'm going to make him this batch, which is the ingredients listed, and we're going to take it from there, see how he likes it, and then I'm going to make him my batch and see how he likes that. All right, lastly, we're going to be adding an essential oil blend of tea tree, rosemary, and peppermint. And this should not make the mixture wet at all because this is such a dry, fluffy, absorbent powder. The cornstarch in particular, very highly absorbent. So I don't have any fear of this powder being wet, and I can go ahead and package it right away. I can already smell it. It smells lovely. It actually smells almost exactly like the powder that he buys. I know that smell. I've been smelling this smell for years. Alrighty, and just like that, we have made Mr. Soap Chef a nice little medicated foot powder so that he doesn't have stinky feet any longer. Let's see, how am I going to do this? I got to make like a funnel situation. Okay, back and ready to roll. Let's get this into the bottle. Okay, all we have left to do is just to put this cap back on. Open that up. Did I open it or close it? Oh, I closed it. Here we go. And so now Mr. Soap Chef has some Ammens original medicated foot powder that I just made for him. Cost me pretty much nothing. There you go, guys. Make stuff yourself. Don't buy it. Things are too freaking expensive these days. There you go. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. See you next time.